Uncle Chris, and I am back. I want to show you guys how to make my smoky macaroni and cheese. Now, remember the chicken I did, the barbecue chicken from the food pantry? I have some left over. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this barbecue chicken, it's the white meat. I took off the breast, okay? I have my nephew here as my cameraman. Say hello, Jay.
Hello, I am here.
He is adorable. I'm going to put that in to a skillet.
Nice crackling.
Oh, yeah. I have one whole large onion. Yeah. I'm going to put that in here, too.
Okay, don't forget, the viewers...
Oh, my God. I'm putting it everywhere.
Uh-oh. Looks like a little bit of chaos may have ensued in the kitchen, but don't worry.
Uncle Chris got it.
Maybe just a little help with the paper towels.
Now, you're going to mix this around in your skillet until your onions get translucent. You want to brown the onions a little bit. And the chicken has a wonderful flavor in it. Take you a couple drops of my favorite, the liquid smoke.
Delicious.
Put a little bit of that in there. All right. Take you a little bit of black pepper. Put that in there.
Great for seasoning dishes. Mwah.
Now, I'm going to let that do its thing. Hold on. Let me get, look at food right there.
Mighty delicious, if I do say so myself. What would you guys think?
This, oh, got to get my chair back.
Yeah, my uncle, his back isn't the best.
Okay, well, no, it ain't.
I ain't saying that you're 1,000 years old, but...
We will not talk about my age.
Okay, onward.
All right. We're going to take the pasta I got from the food pantry. This is that instant mac and cheese. We're going to pour the pasta in. I'm waiting for a seasoning packet. Pour the pasta in. Take the seasoning packet and throw it away because you don't use that. Too much salt.
That is only if you want carefree salt.
Uncle Chris is low sodium.
So, of course, this is some salt-free or very low sodium meals.
Now, I have put a little olive oil in each pan. Some down here, some in here. Okay?
All right. What shall we do, oh magical chef?
Oh, yeah, all right. Mix this around. Let your pasta cook while your chicken is cooking. Okay? Now, I'm going to be right back and show you once this has browned a little bit and caramelized these onions, along with this chicken in here, which will be nice because you want these flavors to incorporate. That's why I put them in at the same time. Okay?
Delicious. Now, as you see, the green beans are also cooking.
Well, that's the side dish. But now, yeah, we got the green beans from, this is easy. It's a can of green beans, right, y'all? So what all you do is open your green beans up, pour the liquid out, rinse them off, put water in the pot, put your beans in there. Put some garlic, butter, and that's it. Cook them down till the liquid is almost gone and the butter and garlic form a sauce over the beans. And they will be delicious, okay?
Talk about it.
When I come back, I will show you how to make the cheese sauce that goes over my smoky macaroni and cheese.
It is cooking right now.
This is actually a meal by itself. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Right here, the pasta is done. Now, this is 2 boxes worth of the, what is going on, cameraman?
Sorry, just a little bit of oil.
Okay, guys, we're back. Right here is, no, don't do that. Yeah, right like that. Now, 2 boxes of the instant macaroni and cheese. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, of course, my hands are clean.
Well, of
Use
course.
some of my, yes, I'm using some pancake flour. You know me. You already know. Now, we're going to mix this around.
Mix, mix, mix.
I'm going to add a little more because you're making like a roux. Okay?
Grab a nice
Flour
bag.
everywhere. We just want to cook that flour taste.
Look at that delicious goodness.
Mm-hmm. Just hold it right there, cameraman. Right on. That's good. Mm-hmm.
How dare you?
Well, we don't want to make them seasick now.
How dare you? I am wonderful.
Hold still, hold still. Because the camera's going to make me seasick in a minute. Whoa. All right. Now, you see how that's making that roux right there? At this point, you're going to add at least 3 or 4 drops of this liquid smoke. I added like 5 or 6 because I like it extra smoky. Mm-hmm.
Smoky.
Oh, it's going to be like a smoked cheese, macaroni and cheese, yes.
You know it will. You can even...
Wait, hold on, I'm putting in at least 2 cups of milk, okay?
All right. Yeah, you can get all this stuff at the food pantry. But
Yeah,
if
you
you're
can.
unlucky enough, you can buy it at the dollar store.
Lucky enough, okay. Lord have mercy.
But most of the time, you will get all these ingredients. See that big thing of cheese right there? They gave my uncle that like no tomorrow.
I gave some to some of the neighbors and some of the people that can't get out. I got
And
flour all
etc.
over me.
etc.
Now that you got this like this, okay?
It is very, very done.
You're gonna start putting in your cheese.
And it's gonna be looking divine. Trust me on this one.
Okay? We're gonna put in a whole hankering of cheese. God, I'm so southern.
Look at that deliciousness. You see that? Delicious.
Now we're gonna let this cook down until it's smooth, okay? I'll put some more in there. I'm putting in, because I'm doing such a large amount, about 2 cups of cheese, I would say.
And as you can see, it is already starting to become smoother and it's starting to slide around and melt.
Now, I'm also going to throw in what's left of this pepper jack cheese. It's just a little bit. It will not make it hot. It will just add a flavor to it.
It is very mild. Trust me on this one, guys. Sorry about the finger in the camera.
Jay here does not like pepper.
No.
All right. We're going to be right back.
Alright, we're back.
Now, put you a glob at the end, because the cheese sauce is done, of sour cream.
Get that stirred up nice and good.
Thank you, nephew. Okay. Just look at the golden deliciousness right here. Now,
We do need to get out the last clumps of cheese. Make sure that there are no clumps of cheese. Make sure there are no clumps of cheese because it will not taste as good. But if there are no clumps, add this with this.
it's
Mwah.
going to be just delicious. Look, I'm going to spoon in some macaroni because I make a mess. Hold on. Just hold on to the camera.
It may not look the best right now, but trust me, it'll look a lot better. Trust me. When you see the end result, it's gonna look mwah. Ain't it right?
Yes. Now I'm going to put in our onion and chicken mixture. About that much.
My, how fine that looks. Mamma mia.
Y'all see what I go through. Anyway.
How dare you?
Now, you could serve it like this, Because it's gooey, gooey good on top of the stove goodness. But you know me. Add some more of this chicken and stuff. Oh, yes.
Ooh, that's looking mighty fine.
Now, nephew, can you guess the next what we're going to do?
I don't know. Whip out some magicalness.
Move back a little bit. I'm going to put some of this.
Oh, cornbread?
No. I'm going to put some of this into this here.
Oh, baked!
Yeah.
You see, we have one nice buttered up pan.
Yes, we do.
Nice and buttered up.
You can take any type of a... Ooh, move back a little bit because it's hot. Any type. We're going to have two types now.
Yeah, hot, meaning delicious.
All right. Now, I have... Ooh, I'm going to get some of this more, a little bit more. I have some...
Ooh.
We got stovetop.
I can taste it through the fumes.
And I got some we're going to have baked. All right. We will be back with the finished product.
Bye-bye for now. We'll be back.
All right, guys. We are back. Now, we've got two versions of the macaroni and cheese. The baked, which came out wonderfully delicious.
If you don't know what those little white objects are, those are sliced onions.
Yes.
Actually diced.
And the
Hey,
stovetop version.
slice and dice.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Look, show them the stovetop version. See? Still creamy and ooey gooey good. Now, let's go into this.
This is only if you want an extra hard topping.
Oh, wait. Do we get to look? Oh.
Whoop! You better not spill your utensil.
That'll be some for you and yes. Some for me.
You are one comedian.
I'm something. Try this.
Now, I don't know if you viewers know, but I'm sorry, Chris and the viewers, but I hate hot food.
Well, you gotta blow it, honey. You gotta blow it. Don't burn your mouth. You gotta blow that. That's hot now. That cheese is hot. More.
Just try it. I'll be a while. Sorry, viewers.
Okay.
All right, Uncle Chris is here to try it.
You ain't gonna see me burn my mouth. Oh, no.
Oh, delicious. Oh, my God.
You know what, guys?
It does have one minor tweak, though. It could have used some garlic, parsley, as well as onion. But we can always add that next time, right?
Do y'all see what I go through? All right. All of this was made from the leftovers I had.
And also as a little side dish, some green beans with seasonings.
And I promise you, I will show you how to make that. Okay. So, remember, take your leftovers and incorporate them with the next dish. One dish leads to the other. All right. For me and my little nephew, thank you so much. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button. Whether it's your head, or even your eyeball, or even your ear. Smash that subscribe button.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. This is
We
Uncle
would really
Chris,
appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button.
and I will be back next time.
All right. Peace. Bye-bye.